Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another problem that is related to chapter number 3. You can see that these are the previous classes lecture source code. So this is a PHP program to create array of different programming language. So we will store different item in this way. Item will be a programming languages. So array is a data structure used to store data having similar data type, and that data type have unique index number that start from 0 to n minus 1, where n is total number of element. So at first I want to say this file, this is a chapter number 3 related problem of PHP. This will be a problem number 1 PHP. So first of all I have to get a HTML basic structure, and then here I have to write chapter 3 problem 1. This is title, and then inside body tag I have to write a PHP tag. Inside PHP tag I will write PHP coding. So problem statement is that to create a array of different programming languages. So array is a data structure, as I discussed with you, in which different items store. So multiple item you can store in array data structure. That item will have unique index number and consecutive memory location. So first of all, how you can create array in PHP? Just type array, and then in a parenthesis you can provide different item. That item should have same data type. For example, programming languages will be stored in array, for example PHP, and then this another item in double quotation Python. You have to put a comma, use comma to separate. C++, another is C sharp, another one is, for example, Java. So these are different programming languages stored in array, and then I want to say that lang, and then what I have to do, just echo. If you want to access any item from this array, what you have to do, you have to write a array name. Array name in this case is lang, and then using index number I can access any item, for example 0. So in array every item have its index number that start from 0 to n minus 1, where n means total number of element. So 0 means first element, 1 means second element. So up to Java will contain n minus 1 index number. 1 2 3 4 5 5 minus 1, so 4 index number will be for a Java element. So 1 means second element, that is a Python. Python should display when I open browser, and then I have to just PHP problems. This is chapter number 3 problem 1. Python is displaying here. If I write here 0, here should be PHP, should display. PHP is displaying here. So when I write 4, Java should be display here. You can see that. So this is a problem solution in which statement is that you have to create an array of different programming languages. Then you have to access array element. So this is a creation of array, and this is a accessing of array element. There are different types of array you will learn. For example, text array, associative array, two-dimensional array. You will learn in this course different types of array with proper example. So you have to attempt more exercises to clear your weak concept, also to improve your PHP programming language. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.